Dear baby girl, finding a good job requires a good education. Therefore, dropping out of high school is not an option for the smart single woman. She also knows finishing high school is only the beginning. So after you graduate from high school, you need to enroll in a technical training program, community college, or university. The training you receive will help you develop special skills and acquire the depth of knowledge you need to find a job that pays well, offers advancement opportunities, and nice perks that include vacation pay and other employee benefits. If you have already dropped out of high school, enroll in a GED program and get your general equivalency diploma. Don't procrastinate, do it now. After passing the GED exam, take steps to get additional training to become a competitive job applicant. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed, with all my love, your dad.